Family and individual gospel study at home will be significantly enhanced by a harmonized curriculum and a new Come Follow Me resource for individuals and families that is coordinated with what is being taught in Sunday school and primary. The goal of these adjustments is to obtain a deep and lasting conversion of adults and the rising generation. The announcements made today will result in profound blessings for those who enthusiastically embrace the adjustments and seek the guidance of the Holy Ghost.